Imagine this. Every time the festive lights go up, the air we breathe turns into a silent enemy. Diwali, the festival of lights, becomes the season of sickness. Every year, after the fireworks fade, hospitals fill up, not just with joy, but with coughs, wheezes, and worried parents. Air pollution is no longer just an environmental issue, it's a health emergency, and it's hitting your families harder than ever. Hi, I'm Jasmine, and you're watching The Edge. A recent report by Policybazaar, India's leading insurance and financial aggregator, has revealed a shocking truth that pollution-linked illnesses now account for over 8% of all health insurance claims in the country. That's 1 out of every 12 claims. And the numbers spike sharply in the weeks after Diwali, when the air quality index plunges from moderate to severe. The report shows that pollution is not just about coughs and colds. It's affecting multiple organs like our lungs, heart, skin, eyes, and even pregnancies. Common claims include asthma, COPD, heart rhythm problems, high blood pressure, eczema, eye infections, and allergies. The financial cost is rising too. Between 2023 and 2024, treatment cost for respiratory illnesses jumped by 11% and for health problems by 6%. The average claim for pollution-related ailments is 55,263 rupees, and hospital stays are shorter but more frequent, meaning families are going through repeated cycle of illness and recovery. Let's break this down. Picture a family in Delhi, Bengaluru, or even a smaller city like Jaipur or Indore. The air outside is thick, and the kids are playing, running, breathing it all in. The report says children under 10 make up nearly half of all pollution-linked claims. That is 43 to be exact. That's the more than any other age group. In fact, children are 5 times more affected than adults. Why? Because their lungs are still developing and they spend more time outdoors. The report also highlights that adults aged 31 to 40 are the next most affected, while those over 60 make up only 7%. This tells us that it's not just the elderly who are vulnerable, it's the young, active, and outdoor-loving population. We all know that health is wealth, but in today's world, health is your insurance. And as pollution levels rise, so does the need for protection. With pollution-related illnesses becoming more common, prevention means not just masks and air purifiers, but also health insurance that covers not just hospital bills, but also regular checkups and outpatient care. After all, prevention is better than cure. And this is not just a Delhi problem. Cities like Bengaluru and Hyderabad are now seeing higher pollution claim ratios. Even tier 2 cities like Lucknow, Indore, and Nagpur are reporting more cases. The pattern is clear. Pollution's impact is spreading, and it's affecting families across the country. Whether you live in a big city or a small town, the air you breathe is shaping your family's health. Siddharth Singhal, head of health insurance at Policybazaar, puts it simply. He says, every post-Diwali season we see pollution causing a healthcare emergency. The fact that 43% of pollution-linked claims are for children under 10 is deeply worrying. Respiratory and cardiac treatment costs are rising, and claim volumes spike between October and December, the peak pollution winter. So, what does this mean for you and your family? It means that health insurance is no longer just a financial safety net. It's a health necessity. If you haven't checked your family cupboard in light of rising pollution risk, now is the time. Let's talk about plants that keep not just you, but especially the little ones safe. As the report reminds us, what we breathe at home today impacts the children tomorrow. So, act now. Protect your families and make health a priority. Remember, in the battle against pollution, every breath counts and every family deserves a healthy future. Tell us your thoughts and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to The Edge.